How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make speed garage like Bushbaby and his track Cutty Dub 23. Bushbaby is one of the goats of the speed garage scene. He has tons of bangers like Woman's Touch, my personal favourite, Breaker, which we've already covered, Shake and Slide, and of course what we're covering today, Cutty Dub 23. Here's a preview of my remake and what you'll have made by the end of this video. Great, let's firstly start with the bass. So we are in the key of G sharp major, but we're actually not starting on the G sharp, we're actually starting on the G. It's kind of weird notes, to be honest. But yeah, it goes G up to the G, G sharp, A, through. So essentially the main bass is this down here. But that'd be really boring. So what we're doing is chopping up the notes and putting them up an octave. And this creates a sort of melody. Makes it way more interesting. So if you want to pause the video and copy that and change it a little bit to put in your own track, then feel free. The sound itself is of course made in Serum and is a preset from the Speed Garage Volume 4 Serum preset pack. This pack has tons of sick presets. They all have previews as well. So if we go to this, click this little menu here, go to the pack, Speed Garage Volume 4, then you've got previews like this. Literally everything you need to be making Speed Garage. The link for that is in the description. Anyway, if we're gonna break down this patch, what we have is a fairly easy respace. So of course, analog, basic shapes, saw wave in both A and B, pitch it down by 2 octaves, minus 32 on the fine tune of oscillator A, plus 32 on the fine tune of oscillator B, and then we've just got this organ noise, add a little bit of like rustiness to it. And the sound obviously is then going through this filter without it. We have it on S, A, B, noise and notes mode. So these S, A, B and N are basically mean that these waveforms are going through this filter, including the noise. We then got it on key track mode. So the higher note that's played, the more that filter is going to open up, and the lower note, the less high ends that are going to come through. Cool. Effects, we have a little bit of dimension, so hyper dimension. Bring the mix of the hyper all the way down, put the mix of the dimension to 19, size at 50%, and a little bit of chorus for a bit of added width at 29%. Super simple sound, but yeah, most of it's coming from this. If you come over here, we've got this macro linked to the resonation, so bring that down. It's not going to be as sort of punchy, bring that up. It's going to punch way more through the mix, be a lot more aggressive. Great, so let's have a look now at the drums. So let's just zoom in and take it nice and slow. I'm going to put them in a loop so they play through. All together, they sound like this. I'm going to turn it all off and go through it one by one. Nice and simple, so it's easy for you to follow along. So first we have this kick. It's hitting on every beat. Quite a thumpy kick, very thuddy. Just helps punch through sort of such an aggressive bass. So one thing to note as well, on the bass, I've got this side chain, so it's the kick start, got it to 51%. Basically helps the kick punch through the bass, because also, as I said, it's quite an aggressive bass. Back to the drums then, we've got this kick. Then we've got this top loop. Helps to add a nice groove. Then we've got this open hat. Helps to just fill it out a little bit more. Then we've got a clap. And another clap. just turn it up a little bit more. Cool, and then lastly, we've just got this ride. So this is acting as a hat. The mid is the exact same as a hi-hat. Just helps to make it a little bit more crispy. If you want drums like this, you can get it from the Speed Garage Volume 5 drums pack. The link for that is in the description. The pack just makes it really easy to just drag in loops and, you know, make your own drums like this. I mean, even if you can't be asked, if you listen to, say, this one, you could just drag this in on its own without anything else. So you don't even need the other layers, do you know what I mean? All I've got is one loop. It's more of like a steppy vibe. Great guys, thank you very much for watching. I know it's quite a basic short video. I will see you next week for another banger. As always, comment down below which videos you want to see next. Cheers.